early in the morning, you woke up in what? Somewhere.
If you are not running with time, then time is running with you. You want people to see me inside this vehicle? I'd rather trek. It's very beneficial to my health.
Nze, leave this woman now. This woman is too old for you.
To God who made me and you, that girl is not old.
Shut up!
Whose husband? This one, somebody's husband. He stole the 200,000 government gave me.
As I'm talking to you here, I have copious of files filed up for me. And the devil.
Do you know what it took me to convince her to come here to marry me?
Who do you call again?
I can't wait to start flying everywhere. Nigeria, Dubai, London, US, India.
You are nothing but a fool. In fact, compound fool.
Environment fool.
I'm SSS actually.
You will police.
She's just being jealous.
Baby Mel.
Oh, para adventure.
You told me that's nonsense.